I think I discovered the solution. It might be this book. I think it is. This spell. Yeah, this spell looks pretty cool. It could work. It could save us. I hope it does save us, because man, we are in hot shit. Oh my god. I will murder a baby. This is the best advertisement for abortion yet. Will this work? Well, I don't fucking know, but like, we could try, I guess. Oh well, here we go. Do 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 magic, magic, putting pieces together. It's magic, fantastic, it's magic. Break. Fuck. Hey, we brought someone new. Oh, everything is all broken. Yeah, I tried with this little spell. Oh, I don't like this spell. It looks ugly. It just looks like your mom. Haha, I'm hilarious. Anyway, let me find something. This has gotta be a spell. And here, I have a cold. Yeah. Oh my god, now I shall steal the love from everyone in this city. I hope they don't need it. Do-do-do-do-wee. And now the crystal art is fixed, right? Yay! I fucking did it. Yay!